In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run reports to view unpaid invoices in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started right from the QuickBooks Online dashboard. To begin, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options, such as sales, expenses, and so on. From this menu, click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of the built-in reports you can use to understand what's going on in your business. Once the reports page loads, you'll notice a search bar near the top. Instead of scrolling through the entire list, it's much faster to search by name. Click into that search bar and start typing Open Invoices. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest matching reports. When you see the Open Invoices report appear in the list, go ahead and click on it. This report is designed specifically to show you invoices that have not been fully paid, so it's perfect for tracking who still owes you money. After the Open Invoices report opens, you'll see a table of your unpaid invoices. At this point, it's important to make sure the information you're seeing is for the correct period. Look for the date range options, usually near the top of the report. You can adjust this to show a specific time frame, such as this month, this quarter, this year, or a custom range. Choose the range that makes the most sense for what you're trying to review, especially if you're checking month-end or year-end receivables. Next, let's customize what information appears on this report so it's actually useful to you. On the top right of the report, you'll see a Customize button. Click on that. A panel will open, giving you different options to control what shows up. Here, you can add or remove columns, depending on what details you want to see on each unpaid invoice. For example, if you want to quickly see which customer each invoice belongs to, make sure the customer name column is selected. If your business tracks which team member is responsible for each sale, you can enable the sales rep column as well, so you can see at a glance which representative is tied to each unpaid invoice. If there are columns you don't need, feel free to uncheck them to keep your report clean and focused. When you're happy with the settings, run or refresh the report. You'll now have a clear, customized view of all your unpaid invoices, ready for follow-up, review, or export if needed.